Tonight, I had a secret. A very confident mistake. It happened at a coffee shop. Morning. Busy. A long line. And one green menu. I felt ready. Too ready. I chose the biggest word I could find. Caramel macchiato. Listen to that. It sounds expensive. It sounds perfect. I practiced it 10 times. 20 times. I wanted to be a queen that morning. I thought, my English is amazing. I felt so proud in my white sweater. The line moved. Step by step, I was next. I adjusted my bag, ready. One hot caramel macchiato, please. I waited for the wow. I really did. I expected him to love my voice, but he just nodded. Then he asked, what size? And I thought, easy. I did not think. I said, a small one, please. Small. A simple, safe word. The waiter froze. He stared at me. The whole air in the shop changed. We don't have small. We only have tall. Do you want tall? In my head, tall means big. Tall is tall. This is the basic truth. I felt the eyes behind me. My face was red. Hot red. Like fire. So I said, no, not big. Small. Small. My voice started to shake. He said again, tall is our small. I looked at the cups. I felt lost. This is tall? He said, yes. Tall is small. And my heart just dropped to the floor. My perfect macchiato pronunciation? Useless. I could not even say small correctly. I paid. I took the tall cup. It felt so heavy. Like a lesson. I sat in the corner. I looked at the cup. I felt it had betrayed me. I felt like a child who failed a very small test. Sad. And the worst part was, nobody was being cruel. The waiter was not a villain. The people behind me were not monsters. The world just used rules I didn't know. And that memory still feels blue to me. Confusion is a sticky color. It feels like drowning in a tiny cup. We want to be perfect, but life is messy. Sometimes we fail at the small things, the easy things, the things that look silly. That is okay. Truly, it is okay. Mistakes are part of the picture. This blue paint is not a mistake. It is a shade. It belongs here. Maybe confusion is not foolishness. Maybe it is just a meeting with a new world. So I told myself, if I go back, I will go slowly. No rush. No panic. No punishment. I will use their rules with a smile. My own smile. I even wrote tall plus small on a blue note. I put it on my mirror. Laughter is the best medicine for a heavy heart. It makes you light. Then yesterday, I went back. Same shop, same green menu, same waiter. For 1 second, I felt that old fear. The ghost of the small cup. But But then I remembered this room, my blue palette, my breath. I was ready.
One tall matcha, please.
Calmly, clearly. No drama, no perfect performance, just me. He smiled. He said, "Coming right up." That was all. Simple. No mountain. He handed me the cup, just a bridge, and this time it felt right. Hot, sweet, real. It tasted like growth, my own little victory. Not perfect pronunciation, not winning, just coming back without fear. Maybe that is enough. Returning to the place that embarrassed you. With a calmer face, a softer heart, and one new word: growth. So do not let a cup size make you feel small. You are bigger. You are bigger than that moment. Bigger than the stare. Much bigger. You are learning a whole forest. You are not failing one tree.
So tonight, let the maze rest here. Do not take coffee fears to bed.
Leave them with me, next to the blue paint. I will keep them safe. If your tongue gets tied tomorrow, let it. It is okay. Really. If the word feels strange, let it. If you blush, just breathe. If you laugh, good. Keep laughing. The shame is getting lighter now.
Things little now. My voice is soft.
The tall trap is only a memory now. A funny one, finally. Before I go, tell me something. What was your most confident mistake? The one you felt completely sure about and still got wrong. Write it in the comments. Do not be shy. We all get lost.
We are all learning strange little maps, but we are here together.
We all come back. Better. Kinder. With more colors in our hands. Tomorrow, I will tell you about another fear. Zoom fear. Shaking screens.
But for tonight, rest. No more words, no more rules. Just rest. Think of the matcha color. Green, quiet, fresh, like a new beginning.
The silence is a friend now. It is no longer a gray shadow.
Sleep in colors, my friends. Sleep in the palette of your heart.
Wherever you go, just know that I've always been right here.